Your boy is super rough this morning, but I have a long day ahead of me, and I told my Discord as well as other people and members, rather it's KJU, YouTube community, whatever, that I wasn't just going to talk about the spot. So I wanted to put out a video and give you the other tickers that I'm looking at, right, that I think is worth looking at today or this week for options plays. Okay, so first up, NVIDIA, ticker symbol NVDA. Okay, so we have fallen below my take profit 1 target, as you can see right here, and we fell below a established demand zone that I've put on my charts, which the bottom of that was at 132.38. Once we fell below that, as you can see, we've retraced and we've rejected to re-enter that zone. So if we stay below that zone, then this is nothing more than retracement, right? So we're seeing this, and we're likely to see this come down, all right? Just so you know. But if we find bullish momentum into this demand zone, then I'm looking for calls all the way up. So that's how I'm playing it at the end of the day. Now, if we come here and we reject them, my first take profit target is going to be the 129.48, and then from there we go to 127.30. Okay, moving on. Coin, ticker symbol COIN. All right, so coin, we ran this all the way up, and we already know what time it is. All right, it has hit a major level of mine at 270.34 and rejected. Now it's falling below a previously established supply zone right here, below 245.87. Well, because of that, if we fail to break back above this level, oops, sorry about this, doing it from my phone on the go, off cuff. If we fail to break above here and find bullish momentum into this supply zone, which happens to be about 261.97, then I can see us continue to sell off back down to 251.67, and then with the next stop being at 245.87. All right, so hopefully that helps you. Next up, I want to talk about SoFi, ticker symbol SOFI. All right, so SoFi, I did not panic. I did not get excited once we broke above my leap options level of 1357. Once I missed this opportunity right here, I was patient, right? We ran up to my supply zone. I expected this to happen. I expected some rejection, and sure enough, we pulled back. We had our sell-off, and our sell-off to our take profit targets. Okay? Now, we've now fallen below where I said I would enter leaps, which is at 1357. So if we fail to break back up above this level, then I see us coming down on SoFi. Okay, now if we have bullish momentum above this level, I need to see retracement before a continuation towards the upside. If I don't see that, I'm not touching SoFi with a 10-foot pole. It is what it is. Now, again, if we break below, then I have us retrace, retest, reject, fall down to a previous demand zone of 1238. If this fails and we see bearish momentum through it, then I can see us running all the way down to about 1168. Okay, so next up on the list, Disney, ticker symbol DIS. I have been talking about Disney and the fact that we were going to run up to 113, and sure enough we did. I have nothing more really to say about Disney. I need to let this play out. At the end of the day, it's already high. We had a double top. We hit the highest end of a high volume node, but it's showing strength while the rest of the market is pulling back. So in a perfect world, I love to see Disney sell off to at least this gap right here, which would be to our take profit target of 109.96. If we can fall here, right, and then show strength, then I can see Disney running up to about 117.67. All right, so what else we got? One more. How about one more? Should we do Chewy? Chewy, perfect. Let's do Chewy. All right, So this looks like throw up. I get it, but that's because we've been rocking Chewy. We've been absolutely killing the game with this stock, right? And it's been hitting every level. We just need to be a little patient. So Chewy has now ran up to test my ascending line of resistance, which is also a take profit target of 42.48. We rejected, and now we fell through a take profit target of 41.28, and we are now retesting this level. Now, this is crucial. If we fail to break above and find support above this level, then guess what? Then we reject and we fall down to 40.12. I am looking for this rejection, or if this happens before the market opens, then I'm looking for us to run to 40.12 for a potential short. Then I would take it to our max take profit of 39.60. Then the second one being 38.71, and then from there we're going down to 37.76. All right. So, but with Chewy, you need some leaps. Okay, don't get into you can get into a weekly, but just know it can move a little slower, so you might want to give yourself some time. And you know what? I said I was done, but I think there might be one more nugget in here. And why not? Why not Tesla? Right? Why not Tesla? Tesla is moving perfectly. And actually it just lines up with what I did with the SPY and how we shorted it right before close on Friday. So Tesla ran up to a supply zone that I already have established, and then it failed to break through, and actually tried to break through this level about three times now, okay, at 350.18. It rejected, now it's retraced, and it looks to be rejecting to fall down to about 325.22. Okay, now at this point, if we fall below 325.22, we're looking for rejection or retracement to retest 325.22 before we continue down to 299.66. All right, those are your levels. This real quick, to the point, easy. Hopefully this helps with people that just don't prefer the SPY and look for other plays. This is your boy Stocks for Real. Your boy is rough this morning. I got a long day ahead of me, but I appreciate you guys for being here. Please hit the like, the subscribe, notification bell. I do not drop a lot of videos, so when I do, I think they're of value. Hopefully you do too. Hopefully you're eating, you're printing. Look for the members Discord link or members for the YouTube link in the comments, and let me know which one of these are you playing. Are you in any of these plays? Are you betting up or down? How do you feel about the market right now? This is Stocks for Real, Sacrifice for Riches. Everybody take care.